The FDA never actually approves companies. They do, however, approve certain drugs. But these drugs aren't ever harmless. The FDA has approved tons of regrettable drugs, including Cylert, a drug comparable to Ritalin and Adderall, was once pulled from the market due to the fact that it causes liver toxicity. Not to mention the fact that it was a stimulant drug given to young kids. Duract, a pain-relieving drug that was pulled off the shelves due to its destruction of the liver. And in fact, 4 people had died from this drug due to its effects on the liver. Hisminol, an antihistamine that ended up giving tons of people torsade de pointes, an actual rotation of the electrical axis in the heart. Lotrinex, a drug actually meant to help irritable bowel syndrome, but instead caused large and small intestinal damage and severe constipation that 10 people had to have surgery on, and overall resulted in 5 deaths. Quaalude, the infamous sleeping pill that the Wolf of Wall Street used to induce a very manic and weird high. The drug was later pulled because of its psychoactive effects as well as its link to seizures, vomiting, and sometimes even death. These 5 drugs just touch the surface of all the recalls and regrettable decisions made by the FDA. But guess what? The FDA can unreliably medicate people for over 40 years before realizing that their research and approval of certain drugs were faulty, in fact, a complete failure. But someone struggling with personal problems can't ever self-medicate with herbs or medicine that they know in their heart to be helping them cope with their daily struggles. In the FDA's eyes, those people are druggies and they are abusing drugs that have been not fully researched. But do you see the point here? If the FDA's research and approval for drugs can be so far off and dangerous for everyday people, then why would they expect us not to follow the same pattern of misinformation and start medicating oneself? Thank you.